Welcome to Random Pizza Jokes with me, Papa Za. Each episode will have 5 pizza jokes. You can tell us which one you like the best, or you can tell us which one was the worst. And if you got a pizza joke for us, leave it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.
5.
What did the pastry chef say to the pizza chef when asked for help? I can only do so much.
4.
An unconscious pizza maker was admitted to the hospital. They called him John Doe.
3.
What did the donut say to the pizza? If I had as much dough as you, I wouldn't be hanging around this hole.
2.
What do you call a bad pizza? A real pizza work.
1.
What kind of pizza do you get at the dispensary? Medical marinara. Well, those were something. We'll be back with 5 more pizza jokes, hopefully better than those ones. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.